In this video, we'll show you how to create custom activities on your Garmin Instinct. This is when you hit the GPS button, you have a list of indoor and outdoor activity profiles. And let's say that we're in the situation where we want to create a copy of the hiking profile and customize some of the data screens to fit another type of hiking activity, such as geocaching, for example. So what we can do here is we're going to scroll up our list here, and we're going to add a new profile. And we're going to choose copy activity. And we're going to choose the hiking profile. And we're going to give it a name here. When you choose the copy activity, it will add the parentheses 2. I'm just going to hit the GPS button to apply that name. And now we can adjust the data screens, for example. So we can see that from our hike profile, we can say that we can remove, reorder screens the way we want based on our preference. And let's say here we're at our data screen, we want to change this type of layout. So let's change this to a 3-field layout. Hit the GPS button to apply the changes. And now we can go in and start editing. And we'll change this field right here to distance, like that. Hit back to go back, like that. And once we're done customizing this new profile, make sure that we go up here and apply done, and we'll save it as a favorite. Yes, and there it is. Now we have the option to move it up our list. And what we're going to do here, we're going to put it right below the hike profile. So now, when we're ready to start a new activity, let's say we're going to do a different type of hiking activity based on the preference we have available right there. And there you go. And that is quickly how you can create a custom activity profile on your Garmin Instinct.